Okay, so you want to get a free domain, but whenever you click on it, it says not available. In this video, I'll show you how you can bypass that and fix this issue. So for that, I'm just going to open a brand new tab and I'm going to search for Freenom, which is exactly what you want to do as well. So go to Freenom, a name for everyone, and then first of all, you want to find a new free domain. So type in the domain that you're looking to get, and then click on check availability. Okay, now once you do that, you can actually find out which domains are available for free. So for me, I have these four that I can choose from. Okay, so for this video, I'll just go with the .ga one. When you then click on get it now, it will say not available, right? So what you need to do, first of all, type in a domain and then find out which ones are available. So this one is indeed available. Now what you want to do basically is simply search for your domain, but don't just search for this, but actually type in .ga as well, or .ml or .cf, and then click on check availability, and then right there you'll then find it. Okay, so one domain in cart, checkout, it's free and it's selected right away. If you then click on checkout right there, you can actually go ahead and get this domain. So that's exactly how you can bypass this issue or this problem. And yeah, if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.